I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Celeste's Corner. So today we are in Dollarama and we are buying a bunch of candies so we can film a video. So this video idea is we're gonna try candies that people don't ever eat from Dollarama. Okay, like nobody eats these, I don't think. So yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to Celeste's Corner. So today we are trying a bunch of stuff from Dollarama that nobody eats. Stuff that nobody ever buys because they look gross.
Ew.
Like, why would you buy them? Not sure what. Not sure why you would buy these things, but like, same. So, like, just normal things that you see from Dollarama, and yeah. But we also have a special guest. That special guest will be here in 3, 2, 1.
Well, bam!
Oh. Alright guys, so let's just get quick into this video. So I came up with this idea because, can you open this while I'm talking? So I came up with this idea because I was watching things like Americans try Canadian foods and Australians try Canadian foods, and these girls, they went to Dollarama and they bought stuff like candies that Canadians don't technically eat, and I mean, people that I know don't technically buy these things from Dollarama. Like, what is this? Like cones with caramel or something on the inside? Like, I always see them there and they're always stacked. Like, nobody eats them. So, the first thing that we're gonna try is this pepperoni stick. We are kind of contemplating this one where it's like, do people buy pepperoni sticks from Dollarama? Like, usually I buy these from like the corner store.
Yeah.
So, you want just half and half?
Yeah. As soon as I opened it, I noticed it smelled really good.
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah.
Tastes like the normal ones you buy from like the corner store.
It's very mushy.
It's kind of soft, but sometimes the ones you get from like the corner store are really hard.
No.
These are good. I want to buy these again.
Go ahead and go buy these, guys. They're pretty good. They were like 98 cents, so go ahead.
It was 2 for $1.29.
Oh, okay.
$1.29, $1.25.
I eat it.
Okay.
Oh.
The next thing he picked up, it is the apple puree. I personally don't like apple purees and like sauces, like apple sauces and like those kind of things. We're just gonna open up one.
I'm sorry, but
How do you open this?
first of all, the design on that is just I don't know. Do I rip it?
Let me see. No.
No, I got it. I got this. I know. It's like a straw. Here you go. Sauce.
Oh, it smells like apple. Like, it's like legit apple. It's not bad.
Is it?
I mean, I don't eat applesauce, so I don't have anything else to compare it to, but like... It tastes like chunky apple juice.
So this is literally applesauce, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I struck too hard.
You suck too hard? Why'd you take the one?
Ew! I don't like this.
Okay, well, I don't, like I said, he likes applesauce, so he knows what he's comparing it to.
That's nasty. Nah, don't buy these.
Okay, next thing is licorice babies.
That's
First of all, why are they baby form? I don't want to be eating mini babies in licorice form. I don't even like licorice, so I'm not gonna like this.
But if you're into both of those things, this is
If
definitely
you're
for
into
you.
eating babies and licorice.
I really don't like it. It's like, I don't know.
Okay, let's
I
half
mean,
this one, because, like, why waste? Why waste? Oh! The smell of licorice is
It's not that I gag or anything. I just don't. I don't mess with this.
I'm gonna take that off my tooth.
Oh!
Ah! I shot it into my garbage can that we used for the Bean Boozle challenge. Check it down below. Okay, next thing is gummy bracelets. We're about to be so stylish up in here. You good? So stylish. Walking down the street with my new bracelet.
I have liquor stuck in my mouth. Excuse me?
What is that? Wait, what? What?
This looks like a salamander. A lizard. An animal.
Hold on.
Bracelet wearer.
Wait. Reading.
You're supposed to wrap it around your arm or something, but like...
Yeah, there's a lot of faults in that design.
Okay.
Ew,
so
it's
next-
wet.
Is it? Ew, because nobody buys these, so like the cones are like soggy. Okay,
Ew.
Ew.
It's melting.
Okay, so these next ones are called 15. That's in French, even though okay. 15 composed taffy and sugar cones.
Oh, I don't like that.
Oh, it's taffy. I thought it was caramel. I'm not gonna like this. Okay, so there's like ice cream cones, like with like toffee on them in the middle. Okay, let's try it at the same time. Let's just like a huge bite. Like, okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
There's
Ah,
so many things wrong with this.
what is that? Is that caramel?
It's like maple syrup. Wow. I can taste the diabetes. It's not that bad.
It's not bad. Like the ice cream cones, I'm weird. I can sit there and just eat an ice cream cone like I've done that before.
Oh yeah, that's a cool thing. It's maple syrup, guys, in an ice cream cone.
So when I bite into it, if you guys can see that. So there's taffy at the top, but then the bottom part is maple syrup. Next thing we picked up, well he picked up right before we cashed out.
Oh yeah.
It was wasabi green beans.
Should be interesting. She opened it. Oh my gosh, she didn't ask me to do it. It's like a little. It's the size of a BB. It smells like a French fry.
It actually does. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's not hot.
It's not even spicy. The taste of it is gross.
Yeah, it's the green. It's the peas.
No, I like peas. I don't like wasabi.
No, it's like a very like it's like a sting, but like it's not something you die from.
No,
like,
I didn't get a sting though.
Really?
Like I'm used to spiciness.
Are you sure you gave us the same peas?
Yeah. Like okay, there's a kick in it, but like it's
There we go.
nothing.
Yeah, it's nothing big. It's nothing big. It did taste pretty nasty. I don't know why someone would buy that and eat it.
I've seen people eat that too.
I've seen people eat like the peas, just the peas.
Okay.
Oh, this one's good.
The next thing is Thrills. It's the gum that tastes like soap. Why would you want gum that tastes like soap?
I think it's more like a gag thing, you know, like, hey, you want some gum? And then you know those people who are always chewing gum?
Me.
You just give them one of these and they'll stop. I mean, no, they won't. I'm lying.
This is gonna ruin gum for me. Like I'm always eating gum.
No, this one's like a very like itchy, like
Itchy.
you'll see what I mean. I hate it.
Okay.
Yup.
It's not bad.
It's not. It's just.
It's just like, ew, that's not gum.
It is gum. It just tastes like soap.
It doesn't taste like soap though.
Yeah. Lavender. Don't ask how I knew that.
Yeah, I agree.
I spray lots of lavender spray. It's probably something you didn't know.
Whatever. Okay, more that you eat it, it's just like, okay, I can handle
It's
it.
just gum now.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. I'd buy that.
For what though?
As a joke. See, because, like, okay, since we knew it tastes like soap, like, I'd eat one, and if someone asked, like, hey, can I have one? I'm like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah, why? It's gum. And I'm like, okay. Nice. Yeah.
Ew! I still smell the dead fish from.
I'm not. Here, look.
Ew! So the next thing he picked up, I didn't want him to pick up, but like, do it for the
I
YouTube.
totally forgot about that.
Can
That's
we,
gonna be delicious.
Can we throw it aside?
Huh?
Okay, you're doing this. I'm not doing this.
Come on,
I'm
it's not that
no,
bad.
I can't.
You have a
I
trash
can't.
can.
I can't.
You know what she's complaining about? Silly little
Smoked. Smoked. Smoked oysters.
smoked oysters. It's $1, guys.
I do not eat seafood. I said this already. You're doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna sit here and eat a pepperoni stick.
You can't eat something delicious while I'm doing this.
You get this after.
Please smell it.
Okay, if I don't smell it, wait. I'm scared. No, don't open it more. No, I smell it like that. No. Okay, no. Keep your hand there. Keep your hand there. If you shove it in my face, I'm gonna kill you.
That would cut you. It smells like
Okay, hurry up and
when
eat
you go to
one.
the beach and like there's like those dead fish. Say it! Now I can't show you, but look, I'm gonna try. It's dripping green. Same.
Ooh.
Bon appetit.
Do you need a garbage?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, my garbage fell. Oh my god.
Wow. No. I bit it. Ah!
Relationship goals. I'm holding the bucket while it throws up.
Ooh.
You want me to hold your hair back?
No. Yeah, you don't look at the juice. Throw that out, please. Give me that thing. It's not that. It's not that bad. It's fish. There's some people out there that actually enjoy oysters. Like,
Y'all nasty. I'm sorry. It's so bad in here. Okay, the next thing that we're having is the non-alcoholic beer, called Krombacher. Krombacher?
I don't know. What are these?
Can you like put your mouth on it to make it stop?
Don't tell me what to do.
It's just oozing out and he's staring at it.
Wow, that's very bitter.
It is?
It's like strawberry.
Is it actually?
The foam.
Okay, we're eating the foam right now, so like.
Don't do that. God. That foam is so gross. Your face. It's not that
I
bad.
need my garbage can.
Oh, I left it out.
Mmm.
Drink.
I don't
you...
taste any strawberry.
Drink. Drink.
I don't have a garbage can with me, so
No,
this is
no.
like. The way it's just oozing out, like I can't even drink it because it's oozing out. But
She's shaking like right now. Just drink it.
I did.
How was it?
It tastes like skunk. It tastes like skunk. Like if a skunk like sprays its tail and then you walk through it and you go, that's what it would taste like.
Have you done that before?
No, but I've smelled like skunk spray, so like.
I'll enjoy that. It's not that bad. It's like soda.
Are you dumb?
Yeah, like just the regular soda. There's nothing in here. It's just soda. It's soda.
No. It tastes like skunk.
No, it doesn't.
I think that's it for the video.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's it?
Alright. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. That's it for today. Actually, it's not. Ah!
Ew.
Ew! It's dripping on me!
I'm gonna smell like disgusting.
It smells like skunk now. Why is it like why is it foaming like that? So, subscribe, like, comment down below, share this video to all your social medias and all to your friends and your families, your little cousins, even the 2-year-olds, because 2-year-olds are on YouTube nowadays. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. The best part was these gummies.
Yeah,
The worst part were the oysters for him, probably.
No, it was okay.
And my worst part was the wasabi bean.
Oh yeah, that was nasty.
Alright. I'll see you guys next time on
Celeste's Corner.